Welcome to 4226 Maplewood Creek in Fresno, Texas, a home that combines charm, comfort, and functionality. As you step inside, you're greeted by a perfectly sized foyer. Walking further, you'll find a spacious bedroom, conveniently located beside the nearest toilet and bath, along with a couple of versatile rooms to suit your needs. Next, discover the huge and spacious living room, perfect for gatherings and relaxation. This area seamlessly connects to the kitchen and dining space. The master bedroom is a true retreat, featuring its own private toilet and bath, offering both comfort and privacy. Finally, step outside to a huge backyard, perfect for outdoor activities, family fun, and even a safe space for your pets. For more information or to schedule a visit, contact us at 281-909-6006 or visit harbortgroup.com today.